Any major things we need to be updated on?
Still same match.
Still same match?
We're taking 3 off the front, 2 in the processor. Everything else is total scoring, baby.
Okay.
5, 5, 5.
We're taking
And
3
then
off?
after that,
3
yes,
off?
at least. And obviously, if we have to start scoring more,
We need to clear.
threes, then you clear more.
We'll have to clear for
6 or
Salem.
2, 4 cannot clear.
Can I do it on the, can my 3 clear all be on the, my side?
No, there was all going to be the front 3.
Perfect, that was.
Auto side?
We are the other side.
Left?
Yes, because 6-4's auto is better than auto.
Cool.
So which Omer, Connor, which one of you wants to take auto human players?
We have both of you over here.
Are we cycling to both?
We are cycling to the left side,
But like, you know, alright.
auto side.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah.
It'll just depend on defense if we have to pivot.
Cool.
Okay.
I think I'm going to do these 2 processor. This one's just,
Yep.
cool.
That's good.
And
Perfect.
you're
Oh,
from-
and we are climbing at the end.
Yes.
We are
Which
the
cage?
We are the left cage.
Perfect.
It's a nice cage because we have the middle station.
Cool. Thank you.
Okay.
Single players at the
Yeah, we're good.
processor, right?
gonna have a fun match.
It will be a great match. I was telling the kids before, Salem Windham never get to play each other.
We never get to play together.
We never get to play together.
Yeah. Have we ever played together in a qual?
Huh?
We've never played in a real.
Are you, you're not the processor? No.
That's crazy. That can't be real.
I'm not sure if there's any. There's no strategy change that I'm aware of. The only thing that you and I are going to need to coordinate is, since we're scoring on, we're clearing the front of the reef to make sure that we don't both work in at the same time, or else.
L2s on the back while they're open.
I like that idea.
Because while you're waiting to process, you can do the L2s in the back
Where?
instead of open with the ball up, right?
I would recommend, because you're working
Love
the
it.
right side of the field, we're working the left side of the field.
Yeah.
When you have a choice, bias left,
Or bias,
And then work out.
Bias left and work out. Yeah.
left then work out.
So you're working left out that way, right?
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Obvious. Yeah.
You guys climbing working?
We're not climbing, they're climbing. You guys and them are climbing.
Perfect.
I mean, it does work, it's just we know yours is more reliable and theirs is more reliable.
I'm ready to go.
Oh, yeah. Oh, our crowds are doing, our stands are doing Toyota T-Tans.
Oh, yeah.
It's going to be really good.
It's gonna feel
Are we last on?
Left. Oh,
Left faster?
left faster. I don't know. They're all called faster. They're not faster. They're just all faster.
Final.
I feel like Brando. You feel like Brando? What? You need a hat to be Brando.
Only day and a good note.
Yeah. This will be a fun one.
Yeah.
Can I grab this drive station, please? Of course. This will be going.
Just straighten it out on the line. Also, since this is the first time we're running left, just be mindful of the LEDs.
It is
You
on.
don't need to rotate as much on this side. So just be prepared.
Algae in the net!
Yeah.
Algae in the net! Algae in the net!
You're on the mic, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna be in the video.
Which station are you at on?
Sorry, Tyler.
It's mostly Brendan's that being
Hi,
used.
Tyler. It's Dave Powers. I love you very much. Can I drive you? That's terrifying. I can never do that because it's like instant. It's gonna go so hard. Instant cheats out my drive. I told Matthew I was like, we want to do it like that.
Oh, man.
You ready for this, bestie?
Oh, absolutely, bestie.
Of course. What's up? What about? Huh?
We feel good. We're not sure. We haven't run this auto all weekend, so.
The audible is after, so we'll hopefully have L5 done.
Yep.
Or L4. Oh my god, L5.
L4.
L4 done.
Okay.
Hopefully, and while you clear algae, we'll get the open L2s on like the backside here.
Sure.
And then we'll finish L2, finish L2, and then.
I think you're being asked for on the field. Thanks.
So when we're 5 and 5, that's when we're looking at an audible and continue.
Yeah, 5-on-4 and 5-on-3 is when, and their co-op situation. That's the big one. Their co-op situation. Correct.
So, okay.
If there's no co-op over there, we're not going for it.
Okay, so 5L4, 5L3,
There we go.
Just It's fine. Just come here. Come on off the field. Come on off the field. There's only so much tweaking we can do. It's fine. Okay. Nice try. Thanks, Brianna. Okay. All right. Just where I want you to be careful of 2 things. Since we haven't
Not getting their way.
Well, pull out of the reef carefully.
Yep.
Okay. At least for your first 2. Then
Yep.
you need to go to the processor. Just don't slam into it.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab this front face and this left front face.
And
Or
if
right
you-
front face.
And if you do slam in, just pause.
Well
Okay?
done.
You're doing left side faster auto?
Yep.
Good? Okay. You ready to A-stop since we haven't run this one yet? I don't think it's going to be an issue.
Let me know.
We accidentally cleared the algae.
There you
So we'll go
Okay.
Try and stop.
Okay, caught on that really
Try and
smart.
stop.
Nope, you're
Oh, we're
good.
supposed to do that.
You need a twist.
You're good. We know. We're good.
Yep. Twist out. Just spin it. Good. Okay, get the algae out. Excellent. Let's process that. Do the front one.
Sorry.
It's fine. You need to get it out too. It's okay.
Oh, the tongue's out.
I see what you're saying. Yep, this is an interesting treat. It's okay. Just be slow on this one because we need it. They have
Oh,
it.
the tongue's. There we go.
Thank
I got
you.
it. There we go.
Nice job. Okay, take your time on this one. They're not co-oping, so I don't think it's happening.
All right.
I'll just keep an eye on it.
Keep up
Okay.
L4s then.
L3s.
L3.
Do L3s. If I don't see an algae, we're gonna switch back to top. Okay. We're doing fine score wise. Do L4. We're gonna do L4s. Let's start doing L4s. Brennan.
Defense coming.
Okay, L4s. Anyone?
Oh, sorry.
I want you to do L4s.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Score wise, we're fine. Nice. Okay, left side's fully open. If you want to go back to level 3s on your side,
We have more L4s we can do.
I can do the left ones. They're just mostly on my side. Next level 4, last one's gonna be a left lineup.
Yep.
On that same side. And then after this, go all the way
We
to the
have
back.
back ones,
All the way to
yep,
the
one
back.
back.
It's gonna be a
Right side
right lineup. Okay. Just pause as you go in case something's there. You look good. Yep.
Keep doing L3.
Yep. Get that algae off from the back. Just spit it out. Now do the back side. Do a level 2 right there, and then peck out that algae for Salem.
There's one more L3 back there.
We're getting the algae out, so you're gonna be clear. We're gonna go climb in a second. Okay. Just spit it out.
L3. We need to climb now.
Climb. Just go right to climb. Go right to climb.
Are you climbing?
You're gonna need to hit those algae out of the way. Just knock them a little bit. Okay, get that climber down and twist into the left. In. Good. Back up and climb. You got 8 seconds left. Nice job, dude.
There we go.
Great job.
There you go. Cool.
Hey. Excellent work. Great pivots there. Nice job, Bob.
Hey. Sorry, guys. Yeah,
Pleasure
nice
to play with you guys.
Hey.
Good job.
Over here.
Nice work. Nice work.
There we go.
Sorry about the odd flow there. It was interesting because I was like waiting. I'm like, are they going to get the co-op moving eventually or not?
No, I understand that. No worries. The flow worked. They all finished out in the end, right? I mean,
It did.
Wait, did they end up doing the
We got the. They did not. So we made the right call. I just didn't know if they were going to start doing it later.
Yeah.
Because they also could have made the call just not to start with it.
Yeah. So we just got to look into the tongue thing, but besides that, so
Yes,
the
that
way
is
I
a
fixed it, I just went to Cora mode, pressed intake quickly, and then it stopped.
So I guess the question was it because it wasn't going down?
Yeah, it was stuck up.
was
So
really
I think it's because of auto. Because of auto, it was trying to intake, so it went up, and then it just never went back down for some reason. Because coming out of auto, it always holds it up.
Yep.
There we go. Perfect. Good way to end it.
Yes, very good way to end the day. Oh, nice, 5 and 6.